How to switch from e-filing to mailing your return on H&R Block. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search box, search for hrblock.com and press enter. The first step here is to click on the sign in option, enter either your username, mobile number or email ID and click on the continue option in order to sign into your account. However, if you are new to this and you want to start, you want to click on the create account option. Once you click on this option, on the another page you will have to enter some of your details. Go ahead and enter your email, password and then confirm the password again. After that, on the next page you will have to enter the code that you have received on your email. Then you will have to enter your personal details, and after all the information has been given, your new account will be created. Now on your account, if you want to switch from e-filing to file by mail, follow these simple steps. If you cannot e-file your tax return, you'll need to print and mail it instead. For security reasons, the H&R Block itself will not be able to mail your return to you or the IRS. So if you do not have a printer, you can print your tax return at a library, a print and ship store, or a friend's home. Before you print, make sure Adobe Reader is installed in your computer because you will need it to print your return. Most computers already have it. Then click to open your return. After the screen loads, select File. When you get to the e-file screen, click Change and select File by Mail. Then you will have to follow the on-screen instructions and your return will open in Adobe Reader. You can print it from here, or if you are not connected with a printer, save a copy to print from another computer. For any questions or confusions on the website itself, you can seek advice from the tax professional from H&R Block. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.